imagining and looking in your eyes. I can see you clearly, vividly blazing in my so far like a distant star. I'm wishing on tonight. I'd give my all to have just one more night with you. I'd risk my life, yeah. Your body next to mine, 'cause I can't go on living in the so
Regine! Welcome to the family, Regine. Welcome to SOP.
Hanep! Ang galing-galing mo talaga!
sobra.
Pwede ka.
Congratulations to everybody.
Pwede kang singer, ha?
May future ako.
Regine,
Yes.
how do you feel? How do you feel
I'm
that you're part
very,
of
very
SOP?
happy to be here and finally, I'm doing this. Matagal ko na actually gustong mag-host dito sa SOP, but I'm glad that you guys and GMA7 has given me this chance.
Si Kakay na wala, ang kapatid naman ang kasama natin.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko.
Ano yan?
Isa lang ang masasabi ko.
Ano yan?
Patayin na sila.
Ay, oo nga naman.
Kaya masasabi ko.
Kompleto tayo!
Patayin na sila.
Yes! Yes!
Regine, from the bottom of our hearts here in SOP, welcome to the family.
Welcome to the
Thank you,
family.
thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much. Yan!
But you know
Speaker,
what?
meron kami,
Umpisa pa lang yan eh. Dapat panoorin nyo mamaya si Regine dahil hanep siyang humataw sa sayaw.
Oo,
Kaya
Sasayaw naman.
huwag kayo maglilipat ng channel,
Ruby Bob,
okay?
I'm sure you won't change the channel.